First, we do this multiplication. 1 over 6 times 6. This 6 and this 6 can cancel each other. Also, we have just 1. And 6 divided by 1, which equals just 6. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to go from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first, 6 divided by 1 over 6. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 6. 6 times 6 gives us 36. And times 6. And this is equal to 6 times 6 gives us 36. We write 6 here and carry 3 here. 6 times 3 gives us 18, and 18 plus 3 gives us 21. So we have 216. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 216.